So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're trying to go through and basically, repair your Samsung screen if it has lots of scratches or it has lots of cracks in it or whatever. Now, the main thing that I would recommend doing is if you have lots of cracks and it's just like a terrible display, you will have to go through and basically find a repair service around you and get your phone screen replaced. That's really the only thing I recommend doing. I think for a lot of people, just replacing your screen is probably the number one thing I'd recommend doing. And that's exactly what I recommend doing in this particular situation. So if it's really bad, then I would just recommend replacing it. But there's also another alternative, and that is by getting a screen protector. If you do have a slightly scratched display and you want to avoid it from getting more scratches, getting a screen protector on your particular device, I think would be a really, really good idea. Screen protectors come in all shapes and all sizes. I mean, here's a screen protector I have right here. This is a random one. These screen protectors are very cheap. I think this is a privacy one. You can find all sorts of ones available online. And all you're going to have to do is place the screen protector on top of the screen. And that will, number one, stop it from getting more scratches. But two, it'll actually kind of help it from, it kind of helps hide those scratches too a little bit as you're kind of going through. And that's something that I actually really like a lot about these types of devices. So you can always put some sort of screen protector on it, and it kind of helps kind of like alleviate some of those scratches. And that's something I'd recommend kind of doing there as well. So from that side, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.